Go to Chatbase and create an account. Create a new chatbot. In the Files section, you must upload all the content you want to use as the chatbot knowledge base. In our case, we will use some information about 2Chat and some articles from our Help Center. Click on Create Chatbot to allow Chatbase to train our bot using the uploaded content. After training, you can try the chatbot. Let's ask some questions about 2Chat to validate that the chatbot is using our files. Everything looks good, and we can also view the sources used to the answer provided. But we are going to use the chatbot from WhatsApp, so we are going to need to create an API key. We go to the main panel of Chatbase, and in the Settings section we can create a new API key. Here we can copy our API key to use later. Now go to your Make account and create a new scenario. As the trigger, select 2Chat and next click on Watch Received WhatsApp Message. To create a 2Chat connection, click on Add. Click on Add again. Write a name for the connection, and now we must go to 2Chat to get our API key. You will find it in your profile. Copy the API key and paste it in the Make connection. Enter a name for your 2Chat action. Now select the sour phone number from your 2Chat account. Now we will connect our Chatbase chatbot. Select the Send a Message action. Click on Create a Connection. Now we must return to our Chatbase API section and copy the desired API key. Paste it, name your connection, and click on Save. Now we must get the chatbot ID from Chatbase. Select the ChatGPT model. Now we add as message the text received in 2Chat, and we select user as the role. Set temperature to 0, so the bot only provide answers using the knowledge base we uploaded. Now, we must return the answer using WhatsApp, so we will use 2Chat again, but now, using the Send a WhatsApp text message action. Select the number used to send the message. As destination phone number, we will use the remote phone number field from the previous 2Chat trigger. And we will return the text field from the Chatbase bot as the message content. And that's it. Now after saving and activating the Make scenario, we can try from WhatsApp. Let's say hello to our chatbot and ask some questions. Let's try a simple question. Now, let's try a customer support question. It worked pretty well, and it took us less than 5 minutes. That's not great? If you want to create the same automation in Zapier, you can create the Zap using the same triggers and actions. I hope this will help you improve your customer support processes and use WhatsApp as a more effective tool to help your customers.